Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily just disconnect from these headphones from your iPhone. At first we have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click on Bluetooth settings. Now we have to click on this device info button over there. Now we have to scroll all the way down until we see disconnect button. The only thing we have to do is just click on it. Now we are disconnected, and to connect back we just have to click on this device on our My Devices list. As you can see, we connected back. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.